So in today's video, we are going to look into a couple of tools which will give you a general idea how your website performance is overall at the server speed, and how, like, if there's a problem in your website, how you can go and solve it. Now, the reason why I'm making this video, because I have seen a lot of my clients, they don't have a background or a idea about technicality, but their website is quite slow. So they, go and hire some bunch of people, or they contact their support from where they have purchased servers, which ended up like, it's sometime waste of time, and also they really don't know like for what problem they're addressing. So let us start first. We are going to look into a tool which is provided itself by Google. It is called web.dev. You guys can go into this website, okay, and as soon as you go to this page, like try the speed page up here, you are going to ask for a website URL. Let me enter a website URL like zoho.com. I put on to analyze, and it will say it will take a little bit of time. Okay, so now we are having all the report for our particular site, and you can see the overall report as per mobile as well as for the desktop. So on the desktop, it is very good. You can see the performance is 91, access best practices and SEOs. Let us go for a mobile. You can see the performance is quite like a medium range, and the reason is also stated down below. There are a couple of blockings and all, which you can directly like click on this and read out like what is the actual problem, or what is the, the CSS or the unused JavaScript getting cost. You can go up here. You can see the couple of screenshots which is came up here on the desktop mode. Also, there would be different reports, so don't get confused between desktop and mobile. This will give you as a flat idea about what is the problem in your website or this web application. Why the, SEOs, if you are trying to see like why my, site SEO has been done, or how my site SEO has been done, you can go and directly check the rating. So like if it is 85, you can see like what are the things which are not properly did. Okay, you can see up here, and this will give you an overall idea about what have you or your developers, or the website from wherever you have made, how it is performing on mobile as well as on desktop. Now this is one way of testing your website. Another way is like getting this tool called as Lighthouse. This is a plugin from Chrome. You can go and add this to your Chrome browser, and as soon as you add this to your Chrome browser, it will be looking something like this. Once you click on this, and you click on generate report. So you need to be on the website for which you need to generate a report. Let's suppose I want to generate the report for this website only, and I go up here, I click on generate report. Now again, we need to wait for some time. Now, as you can see, my report has been generated, and you can see all over the performance and all the SEOs and all. And this also is a PWA application. Now, PWA is something called as progressive web application, which is quite very good. And I recommend you guys also. So you can also have this optimal feature inside your application. Let us talk about the other things. Like you can see the SEO is very good, 93 rating it has been given. And the best part of this is like you can go up here, you can go and print the expanded summary. So it would be printed as a PDF form. So you can save it as a PDF inside your computer, and all these get printed out. On this particular site, it they don't give you an option to print it, but yes, again you can press Control P, and again there is not a whole bunch of options, like you cannot get an expanded view or like detailed documentation of this. So that is the reason why we often use plugins, so we can get all these exported options and guest and all the information we want. Other than this, if you have hosted your site, or you wanted to see like what are the server configuration and all, this is another website which I use. Let's suppose I have to change my DNS record, or I have to go and change my domain, but I don't know like those changes are get reflected or how it has been moving. So I can use this particular site up here. I just need to type my domain up here, and as soon as I click on search, it is going to give me all the IP address. Let's for the A record, like these are all the places where my servers has been hosted. Now let's suppose I want to see the CNAME record. I can click on it, I can click on search, And you can see like all these, like they really does not have a CNAME, I think. But the site which is having a CNAME, let me see. How about www.zoho.com? Yeah, now it works. So you can see all the CNAME which has been here. So the basic outcome is like these are couple of sites for you. Now, if you are a developer, I know you guys would be knowing about all these things, but there are a couple of clients which came to me and they have a lot of problem with their WordPress website. Things are not moving correctly. The site is very slow. The server is not responding. They need to focus on why it is happening. They ask for, they ask for some technical people on like Fiverr, Upwork. They do a bunch of stuff, but things does not work out. So this is actually a general report which will really help you in order to get the real outcome. Now, one last thing I would like to share with you guys also. I have this website of mine. So if you guys are starting to make a WordPress website and you want to go familiar with all the hosting and all, you can check on my website. I have given a couple of most important tools which is there, and we can actually look into it. Now, all these tools that I have given up here are the most relevant and what I feel like throughout my journey should be used. So you can go and check out these tools. Like we have marketing tool, we have all bunch of plugins which are needed. Like if you go and search here WordPress, you would be able to see from hosting to the building and all the other plugins which you guys can make the use of, and this will really help you out. So ultimately all the links would be in the description obviously, and you can check it from here. And if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up.